इलाहा ला इलाहा ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाहु ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाहु मुहम्मदु रसूलुल्लाह ला इलाहा ला इलाहा ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाहु ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाहु मुहम्मदु रसूलुल्लाह ला इलाहा ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाहु ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाहु मुहम्मदु रसूलुल्लाह ला इलाहा ला इलाहा ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाहु ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाहु।
नाज़रीन, आज हम आपकी खिदमत में हज़रत अमीरुल मोमिनीन खलीफतुल मसीह ख़ामिस अय्यदहुल्लाहु ताला बिनस्र अज़ीज़ के दौरा गाना के दूसरे रोज़ मोरखा 14 मार्च 2004 के बाज़ प्रोग्रामों की झलकियाँ पेश कर रहे हैं। चौदह मार्च बरोज़ इतवार हज़रत अमीरुल मोमिनीन अय्यदहुल्लाहु ताला बिनस्र अज़ीज़ 11:20 पर स्वेड्रो से TI अहमदिया सेकेंडरी स्कूल ईसारशर के लिए रवाना हुए।
Takbir! Takbir, mun ba takbir wa dan hon shon.
Takbir! Nare takbir! Nare takbir! Nare takbir! Nare takbir!
12 बजे हुजूर अनवर स्कूल पहुँचे तो असातिज़ा और उस मौका पर मौजूद अहबाब जमात और मेहमानों ने अपने रवायती अंदाज से हाथ हिला हिलाकर हुजूर अनवर का इस्तकबाल किया, नारा हाय तकबीर बुलंद किए और हुजूर अनवर को खुश आमदीद कहा। इस स्कूल में हुजूर अनवर गाना में अपने क़याम के दौरान अक्टूबर 79 से मार्च 83 तक प्रिंसिपल रहे हैं।
आपका गांव तो एक कुर्सी है जी
स्कूल के एयरफोर्स कैडेट ने स्कूल बैंड के साथ हुजूर अनवर के एजाज़ में गार्ड ऑफ ऑनर पेश किया। ये कैडेट 60 तलबा पर मुश्तमिल था।
come.
Hadrat Sai, a Kufiti Amida Secondary School, Air Force Cadet, Guard of Honor Parade from up 51 cadet, 5 officers, with the school colors, the Amida colors, and the Methodist Brigade Band in attendance, ready for your inspection. Senior and the officer cadet, Ahmed Jomis are reporting. Sir!
Please stay.
Everybody just stay behind. Let us stay.
Methodist Boys Brigade Band attender. We are ready for your inspection. Inspection is over. May I have your permission to carry on?
Over here. The last
Sir, your inspection over. May I have a permission to march up the parade in slow and quick time?
It will grow high or it will just make a shrub? Like shrub, huh?
हुजूर अनवर ने स्कूल में अपने दस्ते मुबारक से एक पौधा भी लगाया।
How to remove it? Press it down.
I won't try it. We can't. We're going to take it from.
Okay. I'm expert already. Don't worry.
Put a bit more pressure on the
Okay. If I leave like this,
yes,
huh?
yes, sir.
After some few days it will die. So I don't want to let.
So you make it a bit more firm. That's right.
Right?
Put some water.
No
Just a little like that.
sprinkler.
No sprinkler. No jerry can.
Would serve the both purposes.
इसके बाद स्कूल के नौ तामीर शुदा क्लासरूम्स ब्लॉक का इफ्तिताह भी फरमाया।
You have got better this thing yet? So the quality of the construction here much better than first. So it's all right, it's all right.
हुजूर अनवर ने स्कूल की एक नुमाइश भी मुलाहजा फरमाई जिसमें हुजूर अनवर की बाज़ यादगारी तस्वीर भी आवेज़ा थीं। इस नुमाइश में शोबा आर्ट्स, टेक्निकल, बिजनेस, होम इकनॉमिक्स और शोबा साइंस की तरफ से मुख्तलिफ अशिया और चार्ट्स रखे गए थे।
Right.
That's Huzu.
Yes, there I am. Here.
Huzu is here. Is that Dr. Tariq? Yes. Okay. So that is when Huzu is here. Yes. Very good dress here. That's Nasir.
Yeah, Majid.
Majid, yeah.
Economics department or finance department? Yes, yes. क्या है geography? Geography में complete? हाँ? Now they've changed the system of education here. For the secondary school, after primary you go to secondary school. For 3 years?
All the 3 years middle schools.
Into GCS. GSC. DSS. DSS.
Junior secondary school.
DSS.
Junior and senior secondary school. Also
After completing your JSS, you go to secondary school. And there you spend how many years?
3 years.
3 years. Formerly you were spending 4 or 5 years in the secondary school. Now you spend 3 years. 5 years.
Next time we meet university.
You get 80% mark. So I will take you to abroad. Any university you like, provided you get admission.
हुजूर अनवर ने एक तालिब इल्म से जो हुजूर अनवर को शोबा जोग्राफिया के चार्ट्स दिखा रहा था फरमाया, अगर तुम फाइनल इम्तिहान में 80% नंबर ले लो तो मेरा तुमसे वादा है कि गाना से बाहर किसी भी यूनिवर्सिटी में आला तालीम दिलवाऊंगा। ये तालिब इल्म स्कूल के शोबा आर्ट्स में फाइनल ईयर में हैं। हुजूर अनवर ने स्कूल के हेडमास्टर को एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट खोलने का इरशाद भी फरमाया।
You know, this is the school that was first to
You soybean here.
grow soybean, and we presented it to Hillary Mann, who was president.
This is the produce of this farm?
Yes.
School farm?
Yes.
Soybean.
You have school farm.
No, we had individual teachers.
Backyard gardens.
So there is no agriculture teacher here?
No, sir.
Why not?
We haven't opened the program. We now have 5 programs: science, general arts, business, home economics, and technical.
When are you going to open it?
Open agriculture department?
The facilities are not very adequate for that.
You have 75 acres of land. The main thing is that.
Yes.
You have got land, you have got students, workforce. So what else you need? Fish? Acha, fish fry. Is there anything, any filling in it?
Yes.
What is inside? There is any filling inside?
Yes.
It's only flour.
Cabbage. Cabbage, onions, all the vegetables.
Acha, cabbage, onion है. Double nut. What is this? Medicine box? Tool box. I thought medicine box. From your carpentry workshop. You have carpentry workshop. What is this? This is a box for polish.
हुजूर अनवर ने स्कूल के कंप्यूटर सेक्शन का मुआयना भी फरमाया जो उस छोटे से कमरा में है जहां हुजूर का बतौर प्रिंसिपल दफ्तर हुआ करता था। कंप्यूटर्स की तादाद बहुत कम थी। इस पर हुजूर अनवर ने अज़राह शफ़क़त फरमाया, अपने कंप्यूटर सेक्शन को वसी करके मुझे इत्तला दें तो मैं इसमें 5 कंप्यूटर्स और एयर कंडीशन लगवा दूंगा। हुजूर अनवर ने डिप्टी मिनिस्टर फॉर एनर्जी ताहिर हमूदो साहब की तरफ इशारा करते हुए फरमाया, ये भी आपको 5 कंप्यूटर देंगे।
Yes. Where is the first block?
This is the first one, the one and the second one.
Is it the all these are new?
Yes.
There is a plaque of Khalifatul Masih Salis?
Yes, that is this one. This one.
This one, yes. This is the first block.
Yes.
When I was here, this was the only block here.
Yes.
And during the visit of Khalifatul Masih
Okay, no one.
इसके बाद हुजूर अनवर हेडमास्टर के दफ्तर तशरीफ़ लाए और विज़िटर्स बुक में तहरीर फरमाया, ये वो स्कूल है जहां मैंने करीबन 4 साल खिदमत की तौफीक पाई है, इसलिए मेरा इसके साथ जज्बाती ताल्लुक़ है। मुझे इस बात की हद खुशी है कि जिस स्कूल के लिए मैंने खून पसीना एक किया, आज हैरान कुन रफ्तार के साथ तरक्की की राह पर गामजन है। अल्लाह ताला इसे इसी तरह बल्कि इससे भी ज़्यादा तरक्कियात से नवाजे। अल्लाह ताला तमाम तलबा और स्टाफ मेंबरान पर अपना फजल फरमाए। अल्लाह ताला आपको कौम और माशरा की तरक्की और बहबूद के लिए काम करने की तौफीक अता फरमाए।
Nare takbir.
Allahu Akbar. Okay. Acha, what is your name? Aqua. So, you are now a chief?
And now the head of the family.
Okay. Right.
What course did you do?
This block? Is anything special in this block?
It's one of the blocks.
One of the block I
This existed during the time of the day?
No. There was the only block where the plate is.
That side there.
That side.
What floor have we come here? Headmaster,
He wants to show the block.
we have seen it from afar.
During Mr. Majid's time, huh? Mr. Majid built this house, this block.
ये तो एक ही लिख चुका है। ये तो फिर खराब हो गया। हाँ। ये तो एक ही लिख चुका है। हाँ। ये तो फिर खराब हो गया।
आजकल right these are the ones you have. Then any of the trees. Yes.
There are only shrubs.
What about pushing?
Bush, huh?
The edge.
So this is the play during my time. Because Muslim
Third, okay.
unveiled it.
You see? This watch is only 3 or 4 minutes late.
It's all right.
It's all right. So I will make the
There is the staff room. Is it staff room? Yes. Staff room. And that used to be my office at that time. Huh? Is it? What is this?
Yes, so that's where we end the computer lab.
That is what you are converted into computer room.
Yes.
I see.
My office. See?
We go to the other side there. Where did it come from?
Keep following.
They also spent almost 2 years.
بكماله وجماله وجلاله وجنانه رياني.
Merci. That time there was
Yes, he's passed away.
Original Kutam Khan. He's also a teacher.
And these Ahmadi graduates from Legon, from Kumasi University, and
She's teaching here?
Yeah, she's teaching here.
She's also there.
And you are also teacher?
Yes.
And you? Accounts? Where are the men? You are teachers? Okay.
And
You are also a teacher?
Yes.
where is that? And there is this young
You
boy.
are teacher? Huh? Oh, I can
Not the hard boy.
I'm searching with you at the top house.
How is everything? What are you doing? Huh? Electrician.
If you are a question, where is that matter?
Okay.
Oh, you are
Group
taking a picture, huh? Okay.
How long you want to stay?
What is the private secretary? Please.
One should sit here. One should sit there.
Come here.
स्टाफ और तलबा ने हुजूर अनवर के साथ तस्वीर बनवाने की सआदत भी हासिल की।
They haven't finished. Wait, they have not. And more shit. What really? Done? Where are we going? We are going back to where are we going? It's here. Oh, it's a project meeting. That's the reason to executive. That's great. Very, very good. It's not like we're coming to your school, so don't interfere now.
Which way to go now?
Yeah. He is the executive executive. I just want to say thank you for coming. Which is the house? Oh. So what plans do you have for this school?
Well, this year we haven't put the same schools in our budget. Next year we'll put the same schools in our budget.
Okay. And the first will be Sachi. Excellent.
If only because I'm a good student and you don't mean it, you know what's going to happen.
Oh, sorry, I am also sorry.
Your papa has said. Yes, sir. Very good.
So we are going. Yes, sir.
Assalamualaikum. Is the ladies section?
That's when it went.
Here we can take out food or not?
And these days it is maybe what's his name? Oh, that's for him. He used to be here.
We missed it. So let's say it this way.
That's the house. The house was close to me. So we want you to see it again.
हुजूर अनवर कुछ देर के लिए हेडमास्टर साहब की रहाइश गाह पर तशरीफ़ ले गए। ये वही मकान है जहाँ हुजूर अनवर अपनी फैमिली के साथ रहाइश पजीर रहे हैं। हुजूर अनवर बेहद खुश थे। घर के 2-3 कमरों में तशरीफ़ ले गए और पुरानी यादें ताज़ा फरमाते रहे।
Now the roofs are no more leaking.
No, sir. There is electricity too.
You have raised the top of it?
Yes,
that was the only solution I could see. Quite a big house.
So, what is for him?
We find.
Huh? This is the master bedroom. You know, in the small room, there is one guest room here.
Yes. That's the master bedroom. Everything is the same. Same thing.
Very good. It's all right. Well maintained. Had I not come here, I could not have realized it, how expanded it has expanded.
Dramatic improvement. Yeah, good. Listen. There's a hairdresser over here. Headmaster. Go to the headmaster, take leave of him, go to where the everyone will leave for home. It's okay. Shall I? Pero mas aí where did the go? Say, we should.
Any of you is student of this school?
No, they are just for them. They are not students.
They're just around. This is the place where I used to spend my evenings.
हुजूर ने घर से मुंसलिका प्लेटफार्म के मुतालिक फरमाया,
This is the place where
हम यहाँ अक्सर शाम को बैठा करते थे।
Monument now. We are trying to preserve all such places when we go, including Salaga and
we have already planted so many fruit trees that were just today for today. My students are also from my
Yeah, so we are going back. So, but we stay here and get it started.
No, it's all right.
You can walk.
You can help. When the car comes here, so we can some more stuff.
Yeah, so we better sit down this.
Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Oyin biara ni o. Ayano kuro. Ata saya suno. Allahu akbar. Mashallah. Muhammadu oyin ko. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Ayi biara ni wo apata saya suno. Salatia tiso nyamin kwa o Muhammad oyani komsheni arako. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. La ilaha Allahu Akbar. Masyaallah. Illallah Muhammadur Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur محمد رسول الله
صلى الله عليه وسلم.
لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله لا إله
الله أكبر.
إلا الله
ما شاء الله.
محمد
صلى الله عليه وسلم.
لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله
Ayin biara nyi o. Chisa nyamin kwa o. Ono no patasi esuno. Muhammad oyenu komshenyara ko.
لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله لا إله
Allahu Akbar.
إلا الله محمد
صلى الله عليه وسلم.
لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله لا إله
Allahu Akbar.
إلا الله محمد رسول الله
صلى الله عليه وسلم.
لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله لا إله
Allahu Akbar.
إلا الله
ما شاء الله.
محمد
صلى الله
رسول
عليه
الله
وسلم.
لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله يديني وداسي دا 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 أنسانا أوربا مهدي 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 يديني وداسي دا 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 أنسانا أوربا
Emirna so.
Emrina so,
Emirna so.
Emrina so,
Emirna so.
Ampawaba.
Emirna so.
Emrina so,
Emirna so.
Emrina so,
Emirna so.
Ampawaba.
Emirna so.
Emrina so,
Emirna so.
Emrina so,
Emirna so.
Ampawaba. Mahdi yadini hudansi da da da. Ansana Oriba Mahdi Yadini Udasi da 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 Ansana Oriba Mahdi Yadini Udasi da 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 Ansana Oriba Mahdi Yadini Udasi da 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 Eminaso, Eminaso, Ampa Waba. Eminaso, 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 Ampa Waba. Eminaso, 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 Ampa Waba. Eminaso, 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 Ampa Waba.
La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah. Otinyina rikase la ilaha unyaminkwa. La ilaha illallah. Otinyina ko la ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah. Otinyina bekwamakro la ilaha nkuno beka. La ilaha illallah. Yasinyina bekwamakro la ilaha nkuno beke. La ilaha illallah. Umaynyina momunkase la ilaha osayeyi. La ilaha illallah. Umaynyina momunko la ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah. Umaynyina momunkase la ilaha osentuntum. La ilaha illallah. Suru suru nyame ayibe na yemfemau. La ilaha illallah. Kurun kurun ini nyakupo ayibe na yemfemau. La ilaha illallah. Yasinyine nyakupo ayibe na yemfemau. La ilaha illallah. Nyine nyame ayibe na yemfemau. La ilaha illallah. Suru suru nyame ayibe na yemfemau. La ilaha illallah. Umaynyina momunko la ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah. Iframa kasi oriboi ni yeri nararu wutu no biara bomana someyi de la ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah. Abodi nyina wo bomaka de la ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah. Obiara ni waya fimino dito tuko nyame nkwa. La ilaha